Finding that one specific app you deleted months ago usually feels like looking for a needle in a haystack. But you can actually see every single thing you have ever downloaded on your Android phone in about 30 seconds. I am going to show you exactly where Google hides this list, so you can recover those lost apps or games immediately. Stick around until the end, because I will also show you a quick trick to clean up this list, so your phone stops suggesting apps you actually hated. The reason your download history feels so cluttered is that Google Play keeps a digital receipt of every single thing you have ever clicked install on since the day you created your account. Think of it like a giant digital basement. Even if you deleted an app 5 years ago, it stays in your library history because the store assumes you might want it back on a new device later. This is why your updates menu looks so messy, and why finding a specific old utility tool feels impossible without knowing the right filter to use. To get started, pull out your phone and open the Google Play Store app right now. Look at the very top right corner of your screen and tap on your round profile icon. A menu will slide up, and you need to select the option that says Manage Apps and Devices. Once that screen loads, you will notice two tabs at the top. You are currently on the Overview tab, so you need to tap the word Manage right next to it. This screen shows you everything currently sitting on your phone, but that is not what we want. Look for the button that says This Device and tap it once. A small menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Change this setting from the device to Not Installed. This is the secret list. Every app appearing here is something you once owned but is not currently on this device. You can scroll through this entire history to find that old game or photo editor. To make it even easier, tap the Name button and sort it by Recently Added. This puts your most recent deletions right at the top, so you do not have to scroll for ages. Now, for that pro tip I mentioned earlier. If your history is full of junk apps you never want to see again, you can actually delete them from this history permanently. Just tap the checkbox next to any app in this Not Installed list, and hit the trash can icon at the top right. This clears them from your account history forever, which actually helps the Play Store give you better recommendations because it stops thinking you are interested in those old categories. You just saved yourself a ton of scrolling and cleaned up your digital footprint at the same time. You are all set to manage your apps like a pro.